Yo, what's up everyone? It's AI and ML Secrets, and if you're watching this, you're probably interested in diving into the world of coding. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Coding? Isn't that for like computer geniuses who speak in binary? Trust me, I've been there. I remember when I first started staring at lines of code like they were written in some ancient language, but here's the thing, anyone can learn to code. It's like learning any other skill. It takes practice, dedication, and the right resources. That's why in this video I'm breaking down the top resources I used on my own journey to becoming a self-taught programmer. These are the tools that help me go from complete newbie to actually building real-world projects. We're talking interactive coding platforms, communities where you can connect with other learners, and even some hidden gems that can take your skills to the next level. So, whether you're a complete beginner who's never written a line of code or you've dabbled a bit and want to get serious, this video has something for you. Stick around, and let's unlock the world of programming together. First up, let's talk about Free Code Camp. This one's an absolute game changer, especially if you're just starting out. What I love about Free Code Camp is that it throws you right into the action with its interactive coding courses. You'll be writing actual code from day one, which is like the best way to learn. But it's not just about typing lines of code. Free Code Camp is all about project-based learning. You'll be building real projects as you progress through the curriculum, which is super satisfying and helps you solidify your skills. And the best part, it's completely free. No hidden fees, no premium subscriptions, just pure coding goodness. Oh, and did I mention the community? Free Code Camp has a massive, supportive community of learners from all over the world. You can connect with other aspiring developers, ask questions, share your progress, and even collaborate on projects. It's like having a built-in support system as you navigate the coding world. Next up, we've got Khan Academy, a true legend in the world of online education. Khan Academy is your go-to resource for clear, concise educational videos on a wide range of subjects, including programming. What I appreciate about Khan Academy is its bite-sized learning approach. They break down complex programming concepts into easy-to-digest videos so you can learn at your own pace. Whether you've got a few minutes to spare or a whole afternoon, Khan Academy makes it easy to fit learning into your busy schedule. And don't think for a second that bite-sized means lacking depth. Khan Academy dives deep into programming fundamentals, covering everything from basic syntax to more advanced concepts. It's a fantastic resource to build a solid foundation in computer science principles. Now let's talk about Code Academy, another powerhouse in the world of online coding education. Code Academy is all about providing a personalized learning experience tailored to your specific goals and interests. One of the things I dig about Code Academy is its interactive exercises. You're not just passively watching videos, you're actually writing code, testing it out, and getting instant feedback. It's like having a coding tutor right there with you, guiding you every step of the way. Code Academy also offers personalized learning plans based on your skill level and career aspirations. Whether you're aiming to become a web developer, a data scientist, or just want to explore the world of coding, Code Academy has a structured path to get you there. Alright, let's be real. When you're learning to code, you're gonna run into problems, like a lot of problems, but don't worry, that's where Stack Overflow comes in. Think of Stack Overflow as the ultimate Quanda forum for anything and everything related to coding. Seriously, it's massive. It has millions of questions and answers from programmers of all levels, covering pretty much every programming language and framework you can imagine. Chances are, if you're stuck on a coding problem, someone on Stack Overflow has already asked and answered it. And the beauty of Stack Overflow is that it's not just about finding solutions, it's about understanding the why behind the solutions. You'll see how experienced developers approach problems, break them down, and come up with elegant solutions. Okay, so we've talked about interactive platforms, educational videos, and even Quanda forums, but what about the human connection? That's where Reddit comes in. Specifically the R-Learn programming subreddit. This subreddit is like a giant virtual support group for people learning to code. It's a place where you can ask questions, share your progress, celebrate your wins, and yeah, even vent your frustrations. We've all been there. What I love about R-Learn programming is the sense of community. Everyone is there to learn and support each other. You'll find tons of helpful advice, encouragement, and resources shared by fellow learners and experienced developers alike. Now let's talk about Discord servers, which have become increasingly popular in the coding community. Discord servers are basically online communities where you can connect with other people who share your interests, and there are tons of servers dedicated specifically to programming. What's cool about Discord servers is that they often focus on specific programming languages, technologies, or even projects. So, whether you're into web development, game development, or data science, you'll find a server filled with like-minded individuals. These servers are great for getting quick help with coding problems, collaborating on projects, or just chatting about the latest tech trends. They're a fantastic way to immerse yourself in the coding community and learn from others. Alright, let's talk about GitHub, which is an essential tool for any aspiring programmer. GitHub is like the cloud storage for your code, but it's much more than that. It's a platform for version control, collaboration, and even showcasing your work to the world. Version control might sound intimidating, but it's actually pretty simple. It basically means keeping track of all the changes you make to your code over time. So if you ever need to revert to a previous version or see what changes you made, GitHub has got you covered. But here's where GitHub gets really interesting collaboration. You can use GitHub to work on coding projects with other developers from all over the world. It's like Google Docs for code, allowing multiple people to contribute to the same project simultaneously. Sometimes you just want to experiment with code, try out new things, and see what's possible. That's where CodePen comes in. CodePen is a web-based development environment that lets you write and test HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code right in your browser. Think of it as a coding playground where you can quickly spin up code snippets, create web page designs, and see your ideas come to life in real time. It's perfect for experimenting with new technologies, building small projects, or just having some fun with code. And the best part? CodePen makes it super easy to share your creations with the world. You can share a link to your CodePen project, embed it on your website, or even browse through a library of amazing projects created by other developers. Last but not least, let's talk about REPL.IT, a cloud-based IDE, integrated development environment, that's changing the game for learners and developers alike. REPL.IT lets you write, compile, and run code in a wide variety of programming languages, all directly in your web browser. No more downloading and installing bulky software. With REPL.IT, you can start coding from anywhere with an internet connection. It's incredibly convenient, especially if you're using a Chromebook, a tablet, or just prefer the simplicity of a web-based environment. But don't let its simplicity fool you. REPL.IT is a powerful tool. It supports tons of programming languages, has built-in collaboration features, and even lets you deploy your projects to the web with just a few clicks. So there you have it, guys. Those are the top resources that helped me on my journey as a self-taught programmer. From interactive coding platforms like FreeCodeCamp and Codecademy, to invaluable communities like Stack Overflow and Reddit, these tools provide a solid foundation for anyone looking to dive into the world of coding. Remember, learning to code is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about embracing the challenges, celebrating the small wins, and most importantly, never giving up. So, experiment, make mistakes, and learn from every line of code you write. And hey, while you're at it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on more tech tips, tutorials, and coding adventures. Until next time, keep coding, keep creating, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Peace.